In this video, you will learn how to search for ebooks within UNB Libraries collections, access and navigate ebooks online, locate instructions to download ebooks, and use ebook features such as annotating, organizing, downloading specific pages, and printing. If you are researching a topic, use UNB WorldCat for searching ebooks. You can search for books in UNB WorldCat by keyword, title, author, or subject. Limit your search results to ebooks only by selecting ebook under the Format options to the left of your results. If you know the title of the ebook, go to More and use the eBooks tab for searching. Browse ebook collections to view an alphabetical list of all available ebook collections, and search within specific collections, such as Access Engineering or Institute of Physics Publishing. In UNB WorldCat, clicking the View eBook or Access Online link under the title will take you to the full text. There may be multiple access points to ebooks available from more than one provider. The access points include more details about license coverage, such as if the book is purchased and access never expires, or subscribed, where access can expire, and whether the book provides multi-user unlimited access or single-user access only. Ebooks from EBSCO or ProQuest can be viewed online. You do not need to download the ebook in order to read the contents. To view EBSCO ebooks, select PDF full text on the left. In ProQuest ebooks, select Read Online on the left. In other ebook collections, such as Access Engineering or Institute of Physics Publishing, select Download PDF or the PDF option to read the contents. You can move through ebooks page by page, use the table of contents links to access specific chapters or individual sections of the book, or use the Search Within option when available. You can also use the Find or Search option in your PDF reader. Searching the full text is an excellent way to find keywords and context. When accessing ebooks off campus, you will be prompted to log in with your UNB or STU credentials, the same ones you use to access your institutional email and other e-services. Downloading ebooks onto a personal device can be useful if you require offline access to the content. For some ebook providers, downloading an ebook is similar to borrowing a book, and the borrowing period can vary. After the loan period expires, the ebook disappears from your device. For other ebook providers, downloading a book is simply clicking the PDF option. The PDF is on your device until you remove it. Not all ebook providers have the same download options. You can find any necessary instructions on how to download ebooks from different providers in their help menus. Some ebook providers allow annotating, organizing, downloading specific pages, and printing content. Look for the navigation ribbon in your ebook's interface and explore your options. Annotating and organizing require that you set up a free account with the ebook provider. Once you have an account, you can save items on a virtual bookshelf for later viewing and add and save annotations. Your PDF reader may also offer similar options. Some ebook providers allow you to download and print within the ebook's full-text viewer. For instance, select EBSCO ebooks allow you to download, print, or email as a PDF file up to 100 pages, while other ebook providers have no limitations on downloading and printing. In this video, you have learned how to search for ebooks within UNB Libraries collections, access and navigate ebooks online, locate instructions to download ebooks, and use ebook features such as annotating, organizing, downloading specific pages, and printing.